If you want to connect your Motorola Edge 70 Pro to your PC and transfer data, then the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. Of course, the phone offers the use of Smart Connect, which is an app provided by Motorola, which technically allows you to connect to your computer wirelessly, but honestly, I have to say I always have trouble with this app working correctly on both devices together. So this is why I don't really want to show you how to do that, because it just never really works properly for me. But if you want to give it a try, I just want to say that it is here in the model folder in the app drawer over here. Here we have the Smart Connect, so you can of course give it a try. But I think the most reliable way to actually connect your phone to your computer and transfer data is of course with a USB cable. So if you have a cable that fits both your phone and your computer, you might also give it a try with the original cable that you can also use for charging, of course. And once you connect your phone to your PC, then you should see the USB mode selection, and you want to choose file transfer. Now, in case it disappears, then you can also check out notifications, and here in silent notifications you should be able to find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification most likely twice in order to open USB preferences, and then here you can choose file transfer. We need to turn it on, and then we can move on to our PC. And there we go. Once you open your PC, you should be able to find your Motorola Edge 70 Pro storage. So we can go over here. Here we have our storage, and we have our folders, and then in them you should be able to find all your files. Of course, it depends where those files are located, but for example, photos can be found in the DCIM folder. Of course, you have music, notifications, pictures, and so on and so forth. So anything that you have on your phone can be easily found in here, and you can transfer everything onto your PC, or if you want to transfer something from PC to your phone, then this is also how you can do that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.